Here are 3 reasons you need to try this anti-snoring device. Number 1. The soft medical-grade material makes it comfortable to wear all night without needing a custom fitting. 2. Snore Snoozer is prescription-free. No doctor visits or expensive sleep studies required. Number 3. The Snore Snoozer is the only anti-snoring device that attacks snoring at its root cause, the tongue. It gently holds the tongue in place, ensuring it doesn't fall back and block the airways. Ever since I tried this device, my snoring has stopped completely, which means I am more restful and alert during the day. Plus, my blood pressure is back to a normal and healthy range. Snore Snoozer is FDA cleared and could significantly improve your health by reducing snoring. Check out Snore Snoozer today.